Kidam tang chiti ni phai inquire clear ni umswai sigdama kha auditorium hall along Arnisi apharman tourism hin kapachethang ponji aphan saikulat padopon bangso sai kideng hut karbianglong thanmas council em retesing hi chetong dun si alon pidun tourism asai kama hin pen kachepatir pipon along umswai valley green and clean lapen amri tourism society atumta cherap chiturun si mai padopon bangso asai kideng pon la ke world environment day aprangjong ketalon pon lapen Kijoi kelang mate tourism hin kapachethang ponji aphan pura Arnisi apharman cherok tok tourism aphuthak saikulat padopon bangso hut karbianglong thanmas council em retesing hi aluhi sarpo man pen kachetong dunalong man peng aluhi man pen mla rupsing teron karbianglong autonomous council em lunsing teron karbianglong autonomous council em diofing maslai lapen anparta Germany det pen kewang tourism research person Isabella Daniel atum chetong dun Bangso hot em retesing hi kaning jepon atengke karbianglong arlo non ladak det lapukali karbianglong atokan olong setami kijoi kelang ahin mate tourism ahin kapachethang ponji aphana bangki un anpen bor I ponji pusi ning jepon
discuss with the DUP Muslai to what other thing is very much required and essential. As of now, like tourism industry is growing very high. In Karbianglong also, not here, in other part also, we are going to promote and we will give our best. As of now, like Dr. Tuliram Nokha, CM, he usually advise like to take the and survey all over Karbianglong, which part will be there, and so there might be thing has to be done because we have so many thing has to be as a son of the soul of Karbianglong. So we all know that Karbianglong is famous for greenery as a mother nature has given a lots of potential thing. So that thing can be discussed not within a day we cannot complete everything. So day by day we'll start. So we are looking forward to start with a small, and so one day it will be like a tourism sport in Assam, and also Assam will be proud of Karbianglong, and also India will be proud.
Karbianglong ahawaralong kijoi kelang mate tourism ahin abangki kelang mesen nili social media long pen theklong loposi tourism resource person Isabella Daniel pen ning jepon
I think the potential is that it's a really calm place with a lot of cultural differences. I think a lot of people would enjoy the peacefulness and learn more about the culture from everywhere, from India and internationally.
Do you see any useful mechanism here to promote the tourism right now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I think like every kind of marketing is probably good. Social media probably is good marketing, and I think it's important to not only increase the people who come, but also to attract like the specific kind of people you want to attract.
Ulukunchi ben Hemari Rongpar Karbianglong Lai